Philippine National Police Chief Ronald De La Rosa says it's not likely that President Rodrigo Duterte would declare martial law. Although De La Rosa says he's ready to support the president, the police chief explains Duterte threatens to declare martial law whenever he's frustrated with the war on drugs. Duterte on Saturday said he'd declare martial law if the Philippines turns, in his words, virulent. While De La Rosa downplays what Duterte said, Communications Secretary Martin Andanar claims the media misreported the president's speech. But video from state television Saturday shows Duterte saying in no uncertain terms he will declare martial law, quote, to preserve the nation.
If I have to declare martial law, I will declare it. Not about invasion, insurrection, not about danger. I will declare martial law to preserve my nation, period. Wala akong pakialam dyan sa Supreme Court. Because the right to preserve one's life and my nation, my country, transcends everything else. Even the limitation. Kung gusto ko, at it will deteriorate into something really very virulent, I will declare martial law if I wanted to. Walang makapigil sa akin.
Senator Manny Pacquiao says he'll support Duterte if he declares martial law.
Siyempre kung mag-declare siya ng martial law, mawala yung Senate and Congress. Mag-declare siya ng martial law, ikumpara naman sa kapakanan, sa kabutihan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Why not? Diba kasi ang Pangulo naman hindi yan naghahangad sa sarili. Kilala ko yan. Hindi ang hangad niyan ay para sa kabutihan, kaayusan.